we just got another electric bike, so let's open it and see how it looks inside. First time looking, so let's. Okay, so this is inside. The seat is way bigger than the other one. I'll show you later. We cut the zip ties. Let's hope this isn't a wire. I pulled it. Oh my god, there's a lot of ties. Okay, well, I'll show you once I get the bike out. Okay, so here I have to take off all this foam. There's a lot of foam. Let's see. So this is the display on the bike. It shows how much power the battery is putting out to the motor, the levels, how fast you're going, your battery level, and an odometer to show how far you've gone. This has a Shimano 7-speed derailleur, and I was going to try and show you guys how you accelerate, but I was dumb enough to leave the bike on, so as you can see, I dropped the camera. Here's the bike in its full glory. It's way faster than the other bike I reviewed. You should check that video out. And here is some clips of my dad and I riding it out on the trails. Hope you enjoy. Also, this bike has a 750 watt motor that makes it very fast and have a lot of torque.
Put it on 5.
There's one thing about the bike that's not good, it's the brakes. We had to replace them after 2 months of using them because they gave out and were not slowing us down at all.
What? Yeah. What do you think?
So we did the same bike beach test as the other bike we have, and it seemed to do a lot better because it had wider tires, but it certainly wasn't easy to ride.
Two more levels. Two more levels.
Hope you guys liked my review of the bike, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.